Hi guys, welcome to Han's Kitchen. Today we are making New York fries. It is a very quick and easy recipe, so let's get started. First ingredient is the cheese sauce. I am using this one. You can use nacho cheese or whatever cheese sauce which is available. Next, I'm using Nando's peri-peri sauce. I'm using medium. If you like it more spicy, you can use the hot one. Then I'm going to add in some creamy Caesar dressing. Here I'm using some chicken zinger pops. These are a bit spicy, so I really like them. Or again, you can use any strips or nuggets to fry those until golden brown. And then we are going to use some French fries. I'm using the long plain ones. You can always use wedges or curly fries, whatever. We have fried our zinger chicken pops. Now we're going to cut them into halves, which give it a good taste and it is easy to eat. You can always make more small chunks. So in a bowl, we are going to add our creamy scissors. I like it more creamy, so I've added more. Then we are going to add in the Nando's peri-peri sauce and a good chunk of cheese sauce. We're going to give it a good mix until we get a fine and smooth texture. Then we are going to add in our chicken pops. Here are the French fries which we have fried. Now we're going to cut them into halves like that. Again, same as we did with the chicken pops, you can cut them more smaller or you can keep it whole. We're going to add the fries into our batter and mix it all until the chicken, the French fries and the sauce is combined. Lastly, I'm going to add mozzarella cheese. I'm using the block here. It's easy to cut it up. So here I have made it into chunks like that. Again, if you are using the mozzarella, shredded mozzarella, you can use that and just sprinkle it on the top. I like to be more generous with the cheese, so we're going to put it into the microwave for about 2 to 3 minutes and voila, it's ready. Do try the recipe and let us know in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe. We'll come up with a new recipe next time. Till then, Allah Hafiz.